Hello friends, I Anjali. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today we will see why underwriting in insurance is must. So I will go through and we will see in future in detail, right? So what is underwriting? Underwriting is the careful and thorough evaluation of risk and exposure of potential client to determine prospect eligibility, risk classification, life insurance premium. So see why they are taking underwriting. They are checking whether a person is suitable for insurance policy or not. Simple and layman language, if I actually want an insurance policy of Bajaj Alliance Life, so whether I am suitable or not, they will check that. How they will check that, you will see. Risk factors considered is underwriting, medical, occupational, financial, lifestyle. So they will check my medical, whether I am fit for insurance policy or not. They will check my financial, they will check my civil score, they will check my occupational, whether regular income is coming or not. They will check my lifestyle. If I drink alcohol, then they would reject my insurance policy according to them. If I smoke cigarettes, so whether they would give term insurance policy or not, any kind of insurance policy or not, it depends on them. So in medical, what is medical? Current physical condition including build personal medical history or family history. So they will check whether I have any kind of physical problem, for example I have any heart disease, or whether I have any kind of asthma, or my family have any other kind of disease and all. So whether family history is there, whether just they want to identify that if I am physically fit or not for an insurance policy. So current undergoing treatment, physical, taking special medication or supplement, condition under physician care, including build with physical impairment. So in a layman language, you have to understand, if I am physically unfit, they will reject my insurance policy. So personal medical, previous hospital confinement with long history of illness, hereditary disease like cancer, hypertension, asthma, coronary heart disease, etc. Financial, so sufficient budget to pay for life insurance, whether I have sufficient budget to pay my life insurance or premium insurance policy, insurable interest, amount of coverage. So key point one, does the client have enough budget to pay life insurance premium on a regular basis, whether I'm getting regular income or not. If I am not getting regular income, they will reject my policy. Refers to the person's interest in the continuing life of an insured, the amount of risk or liability that is covered for an individual entity by the insurance company. So they will check whether I'm physically fit or not, whether I'm medically fit or not, whether I'm occupationally fit or not. So they will check these things. So see, key point, the client source of regular income serves as the primary factor in considering the eligibility, not their current assets and deposits. So regular income is coming or not, they will check that. Occupational, so nature of work, profession, nature of business or industry, place of work. So accident, hazard, example construction workers, trucks driver, miners, etc. Products and servicing, example mining, manufacturing, deep sea fishing, etc. Peace and order situation, example geographical restriction, war zones. Health hazards, example exposure to chemicals, by moral hazards, example access to or the misuse of drugs, alcohol, involved in parties with controversial links, etc. They will check all these things. So they will check everything. Lifestyle, hobbies or vocation, moral hazard, engaged in hazardous sports like scuba diving, motor or car racing, reputation, general character, present, financial habits, etc. Based on these factors and after careful evaluation of our underwriters, in some cases additional test or supporting documents may also be required. The policy application may be approved, standard rated or with exclusion, then postpaid due to incomplete policy details or declined. So it is very simple. They will see, they will check whether I am fit for policy or not. They will check my medical condition, whether I am fit or not, whether my history conditions are, whether I am disease person, whether I have asthma. They will check all these. They will check my financial, whether I am getting a regular income or not, whether I am able to whether I would able to fill their premium payment or not. They will check my occupation, whether I am suitable for not, whether I am getting higher pay or not, what kind of lifestyle I am living, whether I have bad habits of scuba diving or car racing, whether I drink alcohol, or they will check everything and then they will give you insurance policy, or they can decline also. So you have to submit all details, you have to be physically fit, you have to be mentally fit. If you have any kind of disease, or if you have any kind of problem, please speak to them before your insurance policy also. Otherwise, if they would know after 3 years, they will cancel your policy for sure. So please don't hide any policy, anything from insurance policy company. And if you have any issues, please tell them. Thank you.